Here we are obtaining the ECU calibration from this Isuzu DMAX 2.5 diesel turbo, so that we can ascertain whether or not it has been modified. Entering the vehicle registration on the ECU Check website informs us that the read can be taken via the OBD port. Locate the OBD socket and connect the data cable from the Alientech Case 3. In this instance, the OBD socket is easily accessible below the steering wheel. With the battery backup in place, which ensures a consistent voltage is keeping the ECU operational, it's time to commence the read. The Alientech K-Suite software is laid out so that choosing the correct protocol presents no obstacles. Scroll through the manufacturers, models and model year, and then engine type to select the right one, and then read through the manual. Once you have started the read, it should only take a few minutes for the calibration file to be extracted. Save the file to your PC. Once you have started the read, it should only take a few minutes for the calibration file to be extracted. Save the file to your PC. It only takes a few seconds for full analysis to take place. You will need to use one credit or pay directly to see whether the car has been modified. In this instance, it is still in stock condition and no modifications have been made to the original ECU calibration.